Dollar General stock, is it undervalued? It's down 30% today. They had earnings and guidance came in pretty soft and guiding lower on consumer, having cash-strapped customers and weaker than expected earnings and some outlooks for the year. So, they're saying it's the consumer behavior, blaming the customer. Now, here's the thing. Dollar General, they just sell essentials and kind of some low-cost, regular household type things. These are essentials. People are buying them from somewhere. So they're not going to Dollar General as much. If we look at the monthly, now they've been on a bad trend since just 2023, the whole year down, and it looks like it's continuing. Now, without getting into the financials and how many stores they might have, or if they're opening or closing stores and all that stuff, this is just one that I think, no matter what, when you look at this. When you look at 2020, they were really in a good phase, kind of doing well up until then, and I know their big plan was opening a bunch of stores. They seemed to be, that was their model. Whatever that strategy was, I think every business really needed a change in the 2020 to 2021 phase, right? Restaurants especially, I think online ordering, all these things became so much more the norm. And consumer behavior, especially online ordering and things like that from Amazon, it just became like you almost had to get things sent. And laggards in the world, like grandparents or something, they maybe had to figure out Amazon or Walmart online ordering, something like that. So that's in a way, that's the competitor to Dollar General that I see here. Like, do they have these items that people are going to probably, it's always consumables, right? I think that's their big revenue drivers. People probably like paper towels, like things that budget items that people don't maybe, they're not brand loyal as much, but like Amazon's can be able to come in and just, have some no brand paper towels, all that stuff. And that's what I would expect, especially as like age takes care of things. Like 20-year-olds now are going to be very used to just buying online. They don't go down to the store. The older generation, they're still in the habit of maybe they have a day of the week where they go and get certain things at certain stores. And personally, we just order things if we can get it on Amazon, save us time, save us trip. And if it's free to ship now and things like that, that's hard to beat. So I don't love low cost business stocks. Like even Walmart never really held that stock for, I think maybe had it a little bit once in a while, like years ago. But really, like Amazon became the clear, when it becomes like that, you'd really just be like, where's this technology and consumer behavior going to take things? And one of these companies probably has an upper hand. So Apple going to have an upper hand. Tesla going to have an upper hand. Amazon has the upper hand versus Walmart. So if you had Amazon for the last 7 or 8 years, that was a way better holding than Walmart. And so that's another big spot where I like to look, where how can what was a big player and maybe a giant or something in their area, are they going to be leveraging technology correctly as e-com and online behaviors and just everything like that? That is the norm, and it becomes even more so. And I think when you see without even looking at their financials, the share price tells you how well their revenue and things like that were doing over this period. So the consumer, in my just quick hot take opinion, is shifting their behavior into somewhere else that they're buying those items. And especially in a post 2021 22 world, that model that they were chasing down possibly is not working for them right now. So I don't like, again, the low cost Dollar General, dollar stock, stuff like that. These always get a lot of attention, especially with the economic news. It's like CNBC, everything is. For over 10 years, I think I've always heard the Dollar General plays, the dollar stores, all these things for the consumer behaviors and economic conditions, if they're inflation or pinched in the pocketbook type stuff. But there's so many other opportunities where people are just again, Coca-Cola is sold at all these places. So I'd rather buy something that's the business model is easy and it's almost in a way like the product and the customer. It's very quick and easy to get to. Dollar General, Walmart, Walgreens, all these, they're all just middlemen, right? They're just retailers. So you gotta I wanna really like who's gonna give that experience the best, because if they're just standing in the middle, it's gonna come down to customer experience. So that's why like Amazon wins, or Zappos, and I think that's gonna be how the winners are decided going forward. So talk to you later.